Welcome back to another video. In this video, I got a new firearm. I've been getting a lot of Glocks lately. Let's check it out. As you can see, it's the MOS version. Come with the plates. Don't need the plates. This is the GLOCK 23. Oh yes, this is nice. Fits my hand pretty good. Clear. Nothing to worry about. Mag, as you can see, it comes with 3 mags. This is it right here. I got this one right here mainly because I wanted a 40 cal. I have the GLOCK 27. As you can see, this one is sub compact. And look at my hands. I could barely get 2 fingers on it, and this finger right here is just hanging out. I did not like the way this felt. This was my first carry gun that I bought. And I wanted something small at the time because I was real self-conscious. So I wanted something real small, but I regretted it. And I had it all this time. 10 round mag. I think you could put up to 11 in there, but not in my state. And this is what I got. But as you can see, I did not like it at all because it's too small and very uncomfortable. And I do have large hands. So I've been looking for a GLOCK 23 for a while. And I finally found one in MOS. And I found with the magazine capacity in round mags. As some of you may know, I love the MOS versions pretty much of any gun or any gun with the red dot slide cut. So of course, I got the Hollow Sun SCS for the MOS versions. So I'm just gonna put this on there at some point, and I'm gonna put a light on there. And what I really like about this is my GLOCK 19 holster. I can use it with my GLOCK 45, and I can also use it with the GLOCK 23. I just have to install a light, and it'll click right on the light. Perfect. And the mags fits it. That's one thing about Glocks, is that everything is so compatible. Even though this is a 40 cal caliber GLOCK 23, it fits the same holsters as the GLOCK 19. So that's one thing about Glock, is like cross compatible. You actually could save a lot of money, especially for a person like me. If you see my other videos, I have a lot of holster videos because I was going through holsters like crazy till I found the one I like. But with the GLOCK 19 ones, all my holsters for the GLOCK 19 pretty much, as long as I put a light on it, it works perfectly. Can't go wrong. So I take this to the range. I'm gonna put the red dot on it at some point, probably over the weekend. Go to the range and see how it is. I might start carrying a 40 cal, see how it feels. All right, I'll check you out in the next one. Peace.